Again, as you can see, the RC car has been taken apart. Well, it was really just releasing one screw. Oh, found the loonie I dropped. So that every single part of the car that had dirt and or water in it has a chance to dry out. And I have new AAA batteries, Energizers, not Duracell or Perlator. I think I almost said Perlator. You can see the parts here. So those are the old batteries. I dried them off with a cloth. Those are new batteries. I know I have one to spare, but 3 of the 4 are Energizer. I don't even see a brand name on the other ones at all. AAA. Industrial. That sounds promising. And of course, here's the toolbox. Now, I've had these screwdrivers since Christmas of 1993, so 30 years next December. My dad gave it to me for a Christmas present. And the hammer. And I've used them over the years for the blinds and everything, and it worked out quite well, actually. They've come in handy so many times. Of course, I used the smaller set of screwdrivers for the model car. And the Construx phone carrier went on the ride today. It's coming along. It will come on the trip too, after all, just in case the RC car fails. So, that's all for now, and I'll be back with, well, by the time you're watching this, I will have returned from my trip. And I will have pictures and video from PowerCon, which is now, it's Thursday, July 28th when I'm filming this. That's now only about 8 days away. So, talk to you all later and have fun. We're going to try the RC car again. I let the batteries dry out. It only liked the 4 Panasonic ones. It didn't like the 3 little Energizer and something else. So it appears to only like when it's the exact same kind of battery, as in the exact same brand. So here we go. Forward. Reverse. That's pretty good. Forward again. Reverse. Forward. Forward. Come on. That's good enough. We'll try the phone in the dark again. Here we go. Well, I'd say that's a pretty good test, so it should work for tomorrow. Be able to go down the ramp and everything, and we'll see how it goes. So that's all for now. Alright, so what I did is I put new batteries in the car as well as the controller, and we'll see how it goes. Well, I already tested it. I know how it goes, but let's see how it goes. Here we go. Oh my goodness. So not only was there no water damage, all the car needed was fresh batteries for tomorrow at the RC park. In fact, it's a bit hard to control now. Wait a minute. Try this again. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm back. Still have to get close up to do it. Wow. It's hard to control, but certainly fast enough. Okay. Here it comes. Oh right, it's going to come zooming right by you. Here we go. Almost. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Okay, it did go zoom. Yes, I'm definitely going to need wide open spaces for this, but at least we know it works, so that's great. See you tomorrow at the skate park. The final tests with the new batteries won't be complete without actually towing the Construct's phone carrier behind the car. So I'm going to get that set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the view. There's the car. It should be angled straight for the hallway, the darkened hallway. So here we go and hope nothing gets damaged. Well, that was surprising. The car flipped. Well, maybe this will work better. Towing the rope from underneath. Let me tighten the rope a bit. Maybe this will actually work better. We'll see. Here we go. First person view. Okay. Here we go. Well, it's having a fit. Well, the problem is the car is just too powerful now. It keeps flipping, and it cannot tow the vehicle properly. I'm going to demonstrate that here. Alright, so the rope is taut. Here we go. Okay, that's better than I thought. You have to get closer to the rope though. But, okay, it keeps winding itself around the rope. Let's try again. Alright, that didn't work. One more try, because I will abandon this whole towing thing if it doesn't work. Or if it doesn't even keep the rope attached to the Construct's vehicle. Here we go again. That's a bit better. Or not, because the rope keeps wrapping itself around the wheel. All right. Yeah, let's try the red thing. Here we go. Forward. Well, so far so good. Into the model room we go. Now. Or not. Trying again. Yeah, it's just too powerful. It doesn't work. But at least the Construct's phone carrier can get a good view of the car itself. Oops. Whoa. Alright. 1 minute. Here's a good view of the car itself. Let's see if it can go straight right to the far kitchen counter. Here we go. Oh, God. Oh, phone's all right. Let's flip it to the red side. Here we go. Alright, that's enough for now. But at least we know it works. I mean, it doesn't tow the vehicle, but the car works just fine.